Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of November 15th through the 21st. This week I'm going to use this Pretty Planner Printables kit. I think it's called Navy and Florals. It actually looks more like black in how it turned out on my printer, but I think it looks super cute. This shop, I guess. Anyway, she makes these printables and posts them on Pinterest. I took 2 full boxes and I cut them into header size strips, these 2. So 1/4 inch high each, since I don't need all of them. And then I also, like I usually do, these are checklists, although they have no check marks on them. But I just trimmed off the bottom section since there's not enough space for them to fit. So, with that, I guess what I'm going to do, I pulled a few washies. I have these 2 skinny ones from Amazon. I don't know if I need them, but I have them just in case. And then I have these 2 from Michael's, which I'm planning to use on the bottom. I think they're just gonna fit together. It's like really close. But I think they'll just fit. So that's my plan. I'm gonna use these. So I'm gonna put these down. I'm gonna put the weekend banner down. I'm gonna put down this set of headers along the top, and then I'll come back so that we can put in the full boxes before I take another break to go through things quicker. All right, here's where we are so far. I ended up actually overlapping the like bottom dots that go along here a little bit with this, but I think it still looks cute. Yeah, it like just fits. Anyway, for the rest of this, I'm gonna start filling in some boxes. Obviously this is the sidebar box, which apparently just decided that how I cut it is overrated. But just have this like chunk along here, but decided to stay friends with it. So I'm just gonna trim that off. So obviously we don't want that. So this is going to end up too wide when I put it in. But what I usually do is I line it up just along the edge of all these boxes, like so, and that will get it so that it actually just fits on the page. There's this little chunk here, which I'm hoping this washi will fit. It's like a slight amount of overlap, but it's not a lot. So I'm just gonna call it good and just trim it like so. All right, sidebar done, super fast. I don't strictly need the functionality, so it's fine. And then for the remaining full boxes, I'm going to start with this one for the center. I feel like it's the most quote box-like. So it covers like half of this one, but I'm just gonna stick regular size headers down and just have a slightly smaller bottom box, which is fine. These are like happy planner sized full boxes, I think. I'm just trying to divide out this navy or black or whatever it is. Since I use this black floral at the bottom, I feel like I kind of have a little bit of both, but I think it's gonna be fine. I definitely want to get this one kind of like further away since it matches this pattern. But that was close. I think it goes with this one the best. If I can get this one to let go of the backer. There we go. So I'll pair these together. And then that leaves, that is very not straight. I usually don't care that much, but I would like this one to turn out at least approximately straight. There we go. Kind of cracked the ink, but I think it's going to be fine. And then these two are the last two left. I'm going to stick one here. And the other one on Sunday. If I can get it up. Why is this so hard? All right, now I'm gonna stick down these headers underneath and these checkbox-ish things, and then I will be right back again. All right, there we go. Now everything's done. As you can see, these kind of like overlap the bottom washi a little. I don't mind it though. I feel like it kind of fits in with the whimsy of these florals. So I have 4 header size strips left, which I'll probably just use as like filler stuff up here. And then I also have these little guys that I'll probably be using to mark some things during the week. In terms of plans, not a lot is going on this week. I just have to get some stuff done before Thanksgiving. I'm sure all of you guys understand how that goes as well. So maybe I'll use these. Sure. So these are Avery laptops from Creative Cavern Studio. I think they're cute, but sometimes I struggle because they're pink. And matching can be tricky. But I think that this will actually go with this spread. So I'm just going to drop those down for work. I'm just going to stick 2 more on my hand so that I have them for the other side of the page. The other thing going on this week is I need to post my videos. I think I'm going to use this dark gray. I feel like it kind of goes. So definitely plan with me on Monday. And then I'm going to pull a second one. These are from Piper Paper Company, by the way. I have a coupon code down below if you want to use it. Gives me a little commission to use in the store as well. Totally up to you. I think I'm going to post a second video, so I'm going to pull that as well. And then the last thing I forgot to grab. All right, I got it. Is for curling. So I don't feel like this blue really goes. So these are Prairie Planner. I'm just going to use the one that says match. And I'm going to stick that, I guess like here on Tuesday, and I can fit a little bit more in. On the second half of the week, I have work, obviously. Been very busy lately, but not bad, just busy. And then I'm planning to post a video on Friday. I think I'm going to be posting my December Bujo spreads. By the time you guys see this video, you'll know what I actually ended up posting. We have a bye week on Thursday, so I don't need to post anything there. So that's pretty much it. So this is the pre-planning done. I think it's looking really cute. Just not a lot going on. But if you stick around for a second, you can see how the finished week turned out. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit, which is from Pretty Planner Printables on Pinterest. I used up everything that I printed. So as Caitlin would say, thank you for your service. That page is done. The bottom washi, both of them are from Michaels. These are from Creative Camera Studio, Piper Paper Company. This is a leftover from Plannerology Studio. This is a Prairie Planner, Plannerology Studio, more Piper Paper Company, Creative Camera Studio, and everything else was from the kit. So really tried to use the kit as much as possible, except my work stickers and I guess the stuff that I couldn't really use the kit for. But basically everything else came from the kit. I loved how it turns out. It's super cute. It doesn't bother me that this is black and this is supposedly navy because they're basically the same, and I think it looks cute. So that's all I really have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what your Thanksgiving plans are. Definitely something that I'm starting to think about since Thanksgiving is just a couple of days away for me. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.